Let's make some stickers using the Cricut Joy Xtra. This is the Cricut Joy Xtra. It was released in September of 23, and it has a print then cut sensor, meaning we can use this in combination with a printer to create our own stickers. We're going to walk through this whole process start to finish. So let's head over to Cricut Design Space and get started. I'm starting with a blank canvas, and then I'm going to go over to images. From here, I can just search for the type of image that I want. With Cricut Design Space, you have access to a ton of free graphics. If you choose to pay for an Access subscription, you have access to even more. I like to search by print then cut. Then I'm just going to choose ones that I like and add them to my canvas. When creating a sticker, you want to have the printed image and then an offset around it, so we have that little white border around these stickers. This Be Kind sticker already has that offset built in. The shooting star does not, so let's add that. I'm going to click on the shooting star, and then up on top, I'm going to select Offset. I can move this slider back and forth to create just a thin border around it. Click Apply, and you're going to get a dark gray outline. I like to change this to white. Then I'm going to select both because the layers are separated, and I'm going to click Flatten. This essentially turns it into a sticker. Now I'm just going to fill my canvas with all the stickers that I want, and I'm going to size them appropriately. I want these to be between 2 and 3 inches. I want to make sure on the right that all of my stickers either have an offset or I've given them an offset and I've flattened everything. I'm going to make sure my Joy Xtra is selected and then click Make It. You can print then cut in a lot of different sizes. The sticker sheets we are using are 8.5 by 11, so our printable area of stickers has to fit within that. So all my stickers fit. Now I can hit Continue. Now we need to print our sticker sheet. But first, if this is your first time using the Joy Xtra print then cut function, you want to calibrate your machine. So it's going to prompt you to do that. If you are not prompted, you can go up to that hamburger menu on the left and calibrate it on your own. So from here, just follow the instructions. You're going to print a sheet just on copy paper. You're going to put it on your machine mat and run it through. Essentially what we're doing is the Joy Xtra is going to make a whole bunch of cuts on the machine, and you're going to decide which cut is centered best. Once we've gotten through all of this, I know that I'm going to get a really precise cut with my machine. Now we can move on to printing the sticker sheet. I'm using a Canon printer. You can find a link to it down below. It is about $70 and it prints beautifully. So I'm going to uncheck the bleed checkbox here and then check Use System Dialog because I want to use my own settings. So I always print in high quality, and then I'm going to choose a paper that best matches my printer or my sticker paper. So for me, that's matte photo paper here. Then I want it to print from the rear tray. I can hit OK, I can hit print, and then I can go load the paper into my printer and let it print. There's different types of papers you can use to create stickers. The first is just sticker paper. This feels like a paper material. It's great for everyday use. Then there's printable vinyl. This is just like vinyl, but you can print on it and you can actually cut really intricate designs and transfer it with transfer tape. It's permanent. It holds up pretty well. Then we have these brand new waterproof sticker sets. This comes with sticker paper and laminate that goes over the top of it, making it waterproof and UV resistant. So that's what we're using today. In the package, I am going to pull out the sticker paper, which this is new and improved. It is nice and thin and flexible, but still really durable. So this is what I'm going to print my stickers on. The color on this is just beautiful and it doesn't smudge at all. Just to be safe, I like to let my sticker sheet sit for a few minutes before I put it on my mat. Now I'm also going to pull out the vinyl sheet that comes in the packaging. So I want to put my printed stickers on a mat. I'm using the light grip mat. You can use a standard grip mat as well. When you're doing this, make sure to use a brayer. You don't want to use your fingers and risk transferring oils to these stickers. Cricut makes a great brayer. This is actually a facial tool I got from Dollar Tree for $1.25, and it works beautifully. Now it's time to apply the laminate to the top. So what I love about this is you flip it over on the back and there's this little tear off piece. On a lot of other brands, you have to make your own tear off piece, but Cricut adds it for you and it's really nice. So we're just gonna peel that off and then take this sticky part and line it up on the top of the sticker sheet on your mat. Once it's on there, it is not gonna come off, so make sure you're really careful and precise when aligning it. Then you can use your hands or a scraper tool, and you're just gonna slowly push down as you remove the backing of the laminate. This can be tricky at first. Once you've done it a couple times, you're gonna figure out a system and it's gonna work really well for you. Go over it with a brayer one more time, make sure everything is smooth and there's no bubbles, and we're ready to cut. Back in Cricut Design Space, I'm going to choose the appropriate material. All of the settings that are preset in Design Space are for Kiss Cut stickers, meaning you're going to get a full sheet of stickers that you can peel off versus die cut where they would each be individually cut. Now I load the mat into the machine and the little sensor is going to recognize those black registration marks so the machine knows where to cut. This is what sets the Joy Xtra apart from the Cricut Joy. Once you're done cutting, before you unload the mat, just pull up a sticker, make sure the cut has worked well. If you need to, you can run it through again, but this cut looks perfect. So then we're gonna unload it. The Joy Xtra doesn't have any buttons, so you start and stop and unload your mat all on your computer or the app on your phone. Now to pull these off, I like to flip my mat over and slowly pull the mat off the sticker sheet. It leaves me with a nice flat piece of material instead of something that's rolled. Now I have a full sheet of stickers that are Kiss Cut so I can pull these off as I need them. This waterproof sticker set is waterproof and UV resistant, so I'm using these on my kids' water bottles for the school year. All right, so we just walked through the entire process of creating stickers using the Cricut Joy Xtra. I hope you learned something today. If you are interested in the Joy Xtra, you can take a look at the link down in the description. It is available for purchase. This is a great machine if you are new to Cricut and you want to do all the things, including make your own stickers. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I am here every week with brand new videos helping you craft beautiful things. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.